What's up, guys? We're shopping at Rainbow, and guess what? I already got this outfit. What's a bossy? Just saying. Then the
I got
pants
the
and
same one, but
look, turn around.
color.
Papa, come out here. Bossy. And there. Then put that Papa. She made. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and ring that bell. And don't forget we're Kibby and Lulu from the Slapsters and Pie Pie. Come on, Papa. No, you can't. Come on, go. What mommy? I just heard her voice. I just heard mommy. Come on, Papa. Why?
Y'all got my phone?
Yeah.
No.
No.
My card and my phone.
Oh.
No. So here, hold this too. Here, TT.
I got it. Kibby, run to the car. No, you got it. Come on.
We can't leave. Look, mommy, you already got that.
She said she put him out the house.
Oh, my God, get
He was very disrespectful.
Go.
Can I get
Oh,
this?
Look what he said. I just got his phone.
Man.
Ma, look.
What?
Can I get this? Oh, you don't like this?
Hello.
TT,
Why he
do we
said
supposed to
you
go
like
get the
cheese?
card or no?
No.
Why did I say wait?
Oh.
Did he mean it?
TT, look at this. Oh, that's
I
ugly.
said, why did he say
No,
that
ma.
to you? Did he mean to do it?
TT, you like, mommy, can you buy me this? Mommy, look, can you buy me this dress? Look at you
I
guys
said,
like
why
this
did
dress.
he
Comment
do
down below
it to
for
you?
me.
Did he mean it?
Like,
Did he make a
let me just.
Oh.
No, y'all don't even know what dress I'm talking about. Now be quiet. Look, you like this dress?
Girl, bye. Come on, Popeye.
What can I, well, get, you like this one?
I don't like neither one.
This is cute.
Oh, I want this.
Look, that's for
Sit down and humble.
humble. Papa, come on. Girl power.
I want this.
Girl power. TT, stop cussing the last time. This one says, look, this one says, dream big. Lou, this one say dream big, and this one say
dream.
girl power. Okay, girl power.
Popeye,
Yeah.
where are you?
She a mommy. Pakisha.
Dang, Kibby's on look like a
Kid,
top.
Look at that.
It's because it's how they got the thing. Get that.
Okay. Look at my other outfit, guys. Look, don't forget to show the YouTube video your outfit.
We got this, guys.
But we have to look for the shorts. Okay. So look at this. Look at this is mine.
Y'all want white shorts or these?
Those shorts right there. What you got in your hand? Look, and this is
see.
Lulu's short.
I
I want the shorts.
White. Let me see those.
What are white shorts? Ooh, that don't match
These
this.
cute.
No, I don't want the white. This is the white shorts. So look, this is the white shorts.
Oh, okay. I don't want white.
I want these ones,
Me too.
and these are the shorts
Well, these is cute. These.
on the tag.
Mom wants some
Look,
pants that look
I thought
like
that was
this.
it. Oh, TT's on the pants, cause look, this one says. Oh no, don't. No, mind.
Mom can get a patty.
This a 10, huh, Lulu?
That's
Yeah,
the-
that's my size because I'm the only one that wears.
Oh, sorry, guys. You know, no Zoom. Papa with mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
She with Mom, Kibby. Mom right there with Papa.
Oh, no, my Papa. I'm scared.
You want an 8, Kibby?
I don't care. Why you
Or 8 or 7?
7? You know why?
You want him to be tight. Mom, get her 8.
Tight. I mean, yeah, tight. Here's the shorts to it in real life.
Oh, Mom, you like these? You like black?
Okay, stay with us.
What color is this?
Y'all want to shop? TT, we gonna get the shoes? Y'all, come on. Lulu, let's go see the shoes right here. They're right here.
Mom, which
Oh, your shoes over there, Lulu. These only my shoes over here.
Mom, look. I thought we were short.
These are my kind of shoes.
I don't like these shoes.
Me
Those
either.
look like these kind of like them.
Yeah, but they don't match.
Yeah.
That's why we need a.
What she want at?
Those how you like those? Ooh. What shoes y'all getting for me? Look at these shoes. Papa, stop. Lou, you like this shirt right here?
Mm-hmm.
This one says goodbye. No, why did you get that?
Lulu, why you holding that stuff like that?
No, Lou, she got some two shorts. Like I'm shopping. No, Mom.
Go get my card from out the car, Kibby.
Okay, who gonna hold my stuff? Here, hold my stuff so she won't get my stuff.
Like these
Teacher, do you want me to go get your card? No. Damn,
be in the stove.
Cause you love everything.
Mommy, let me see the keys.
Watch out for the calls.
Yeah, 'cause they speeding.
Lulu, what call with me?
No. I'm
Fine.
trying to hold my cup.
This. So I'm gonna have to flip the camera so I won't. Ew! Lulu, look! Look how the thing poking out. Ew!
Go, look both ways.
Ew, look at that thing. That look disgusting. Okay, look at guys crossing the road. No, but no cars coming. No cars are coming. Okay. Okay, now let me first unlock. Then let me get my sister's phone. Then let me unplug this out. Then let me get this. Then let me hold her phone like that. Then let me get out. Then let me do that. Then let me lock the car. Then let me get back out. Then let me look for these cars. I'm doing a live channel. These people are just driving no matter what. Clean it up. Okay, I almost fell. I'm back in now. Okay. What TT? TT! I have to hop to see them because I'm so short. Here, TT. Hold that for a second so I tie my shoes.
And I gotta find you one shirt
Who, me?
to go with these.
Get that. Oh, I already got it. Wait, let me see, TT.
Mom can
I
get
thought I already had those shorts.
Mom can get this.
No.
Lulu. Oh, that's a fanny pack.
I know, that's what I said.
So I like.
I'm
Look at
gonna
these,
try those
TT.
shorts.
I would love this on me.
Oh no.
You know why,
You
Lulu?
gonna wear it every time until it gets too little for you, and you still go wear it when it is too.
Yep.
Mom,
Me and Nene got
No,
say.
you get nothing else.
Why? Can we just get that?
No.
I
Why?
really want those shorts.
Oh, really? What shorts?
Those right
Oh, you got a better outfit than me. Cause you trying. Then they got those shorts right there, Lulu.
I
right here.
want these shorts. My mama won't
What,
let
Popeye?
Let me
TT, is we getting shoes out of here?
No.
We need shoes. I'm gonna wear this. TT, can I wear this on Wednesday? One of these on Wednesday? Cause what?
Throughout the week. Guys, so
You gotta find a shirt to go with them pants right there
What?
that you got.
Can I wear those? Can I get a flower shirt?
get one of these.
Right here.
Get one of these little jeans.
TT, can I get one of these jean shorts, or you want me to get one? The flower shirts, but I already. Oh, can I get this shirt here?
The red one.
No, this
Yeah,
one.
this one.
Yeah,
Let me see them pants.
the guy. Look, the same flowers. Look. Oh, my phone finna go dead.
Come on, Popeye.
So yeah, this is the end of this
Papa, you
video.
want
It's gonna
you
be a
want an
part
outfit?
2. So yeah, so here's the shirt I'm
want that
getting.
shirt that
This
you
is
got,
the
or
only
you
stuff
want-
we're gonna
you want that
get.
shirt right there.
This is the only stuff we're gonna get. So,
This one.
and Shanae's gonna get the
And
same
that's
shirt as me.
side, Shanae.
Well, never mind. She's not gonna get the same thing as
Papa,
me.
you
So.
want
Come on, y'all.
Okay, so yeah. So guys, this is the end of this video. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and ring that bell and subscribe. Okay, so guys, this is the end. So I love you, but I love you. Look, guys, it says but. It's spelled the wrong. Spelled the real but. It said but I love you. So
One
funny.
more.
Over there shopping for herself. See, she. Oh wait, no, she not.
Now this stuff is for
I had to
Papa.
wipe my nose because my nose are running. This is what I need. Makeup. Because I ran out of makeup.
Leave that makeup alone.
Oh, I got a lot
on.
already.
Come on, Papa.
Just that I ran out so I can get some more, but it doesn't matter. It don't mean it didn't work. So, Mama, where you at? Seriously, Mom. Seriously, we're supposed to be shopping for us. Like the kids, not for you.